Good morning, class. This is my lab 7. First, I'm going to start off with my Cold Fusion version, and right here's my two RSS feed that came back from, I think I picked Newspress, which is a newspaper, and in this section they only had two, so these are the two that came back. that I was able to add to the database and allow to show up on the screen. Go over to my code. Code for that one is right here is where I have the read RSS and add RSS. Basically, this one's pulling all the data from the database, and this one is adding the title, description, and the date to the database to allow it to show up. Right here is where I have the RSS, the XML data. So this is where I'm pulling the XML data, and then I'm telling it to search for the title, the description, and the date, and then I'm telling it to loop through the XML. And right here, where it says we're gonna loop from 1 to 2, because that's all that there was, and there's only two news article. So then right here it's here's where it's telling it to. Right here is where the data is, and then over here is where I'm telling it to add the title, description, and the due date, and then to read it. So that's that, and that was my Cold Fusion. Let's go over to my PHP. Here is my PHP. Let me refresh that. Okay, so here's my PHP. This that's showing up, that's from my Cold Fusion. That's not from my PHP yet. But if I go to, I guess, add news, it adds the same exact thing, because like I said, in that XML data there was only 2 posts. So if I change this to like local news or something, where it's always updating, then whenever I click that, I'd probably get another results instead of the same thing. But this little XML part that I got was it's not something that I guess they always upload, but there that goes. And for that part, I have service. So this right here is basically getting the XML, then telling it to load it, and then this right here is where we're parsing it. So the title, description, due date, and it's saying go inside the channel, then go inside the item, and then get the title. And then over here is where I'm displaying it. And this is my rss.php, and right here it's telling it to add it, and so to insert the details, and then right here is telling it to read it back, and then where is it? Okay, here we go, source code. And then right here is saying if action equals get empty, read RSS. So that's just reading it from the database and to get the view. And then if not, if it equals add, then add the new news into here, or if not, it'd probably just duplicate the same news. Well, that was my Cold Fusion and my PHP for XML data.